this is Emily from WTA. I'm here to introduce you to your new cleaning best friend. This is the KEIMI Electric Spin Scrubber. This cleaning tool can get everything in your house, car, and life clean without all of the elbow grease and without breaking your back and having to be on your hands and knees scrubbing things. Here's some things I love about it. It has 3 speeds. It's rechargeable with a USB cord that comes with it. It has 8 different heads that can pop on and off of here. And it has this adjustable handle that goes from 36 to 46 inches. It will also run for up to 90 minutes and you can recharge it in just under 3 hours. It's also water resistant, so you're able to scrub things even in your shower or sink with confidence that it's not going to be dangerous. This tool has literally saved my back, and I think you are going to find it amazing as well. I even made a little cleaning caddy so that I can keep all of the different heads right here, easily able to move from room to room with me. You can see in this caddy all of the different available heads. There's scrubber heads, heads great for windows, scrubbers great for corners, sponges, and so many more. You are going to find this tool so useful, and I know that it's going to help you out as much as it's helped me. And that's just my point of view.